Vikasit Bharat. According to Vikasit Bharat, we are having Swarna Andhra Pradesh. By 2047, we want to reach 2.4 trillion US economy. I am having no doubt about it. By 2047, anybody is having any doubt, remove that doubt in our mind. As on today, India economy is growing very fast. By 2038, India is going to become second largest economy. 2047, India is going to become number one economy. 100% I am confident in that direction. As on today, if you see for the last 23 months, we are able to attract 23 lakh crores investment. And also 23 lakh employment I can generate. Just now CAI President has rightly mentioned, we are number 2 in attracting investment, but my aim is not to be number 2, distant number 1, and also I wanted to be always lead the nation and also promote investment for Andhra Pradesh. You are all aware, India is planning 500 gigawatts renewable energy. Among 500, Andhra Pradesh is going to contribute 160 gigawatts for renewable energy from Andhra Pradesh. Already 90 gigawatts capacity we have entrusted. Things are going on. Because of this, now you are all aware, Google AI data center has come to Visakhapatnam. This is the biggest FDI after reforms. 15 billion US dollars investment is coming to Visakhapatnam. Already foundations are laid. By seeing that, so much of competition now, even Reliance, 1 gigawatt, 1.5 gigawatt. Google is 15 billion, Reliance is 17 billion US dollars they are investing in Visakhapatnam. And also, Renew is asking us, they are also getting proposal 1 gigawatt capacity data center. Roughly, there is a huge demand now. I am thinking how many gigawatts I can provide in Andhra Pradesh. That is the stage today. Because of reforms, I am happy to announce all of you, first time in India, average procurement of unit tariff has been reduced. 1 year 30 paisa we are able to reduce. This year another 30 paisa. Within 5 years time, we are going to reduce 1 rupee 20 paisa for unit average procurement cost. This is the biggest achievement we are doing. So many companies are working with us. AMNS, AM Green, Renew, Cognizant, Carrier, not only one or two. In India, all major corporates and also global companies are working with us. Earlier, I used to talk about ease of doing business. Now we have changed the gear. Now I am talking speed of doing business. Even in government also, speed of delivering governance. Not only talking all these things, any citizen need not come to office, need not go to any office. Only one Manamitra WhatsApp, if you can click, everything will be delivered across the state. That is